Do you have a property that doesn't cash flow? I did a couple of mistakes early on in my real estate investment career that led to having two properties that don't cash flow. And I did those mistakes early on. And I'm making this video, I'm sharing this with you guys because, especially for new real estate investors who hasn't got their feet wet with real estate and they just uh, not sure about the numbers, or they think the numbers like I thought when I started out. So just to clarify, I used to think first I started real estate that the way you calculate that cash flow per month is just adding the mortgage, principal, taxes, insurance. You take that from the total amount of rent you collect every month, and that would be your total cash flow every month. Coming to find out later on, years later, that not the case. There's expenses associated that I didn't calculate for when I bought those couple properties, and I want you to not do the same mistakes I have done. And there are 4 reasons why a property doesn't cash flow. And reason number 1, the capital expenditure. Big things like roof, replacing the roof, HVAC, replacing electrical, big expenses, windows, those cost thousands of dollars. They don't happen often, but when they hit hard. Every one of those replacement costs thousands of dollars. And I did not calculate for that, and you should calculate for $150 per month for each unit for capital expenditure. They not often, but they are expensive, and you want to make sure you calculate that to the principal and interest. Now, plus the taxes, insurance, capital expenditure is number 1. Number 2, maintenance. The tenant will gonna call you for repairs. Like those are minor repairs, but they are more often. Like toilet clogging up, changing a faucet, fridge breaking down, a broken window. So those maintenance costs, and you should calculate for $150 on top of the other expenses. So we got $150 capital expenditure, $150 for maintenance, and number 3, the insurance doesn't remain the same. So first you start the property and you purchase insurance, and you think, okay, I purchase insurance for like $2,000 a year, and later on, especially here in Florida, insurance keep going up because we have hurricanes and a lot of tropical storms. So the insurance, they've been taking advantage. Insurance companies been taking advantage of homeowners and real estate investors. Very expensive prices. So prepare for that ahead of time, that the insurance is not going to remain the same. So it's going to probably start at 2,000, then year 2 or 3 is going to be 3 and 4, and maybe more in some cases. So calculate that the insurance is gonna go up. It's not gonna remain the same, and your payment gonna go up with it too, because the lender gonna escrow the insurance and taxes, which they're gonna lead me to number 4, taxes. Property value goes up all the time, so when you buy the property, first you buy the property, it's gonna be at certain, you pay $1,000 or a year, so it might go up to $1,500, $1,400 year 3, 4. So things start adding up. Now taxes going up, the property value goes up, your property taxes goes up, your cash flow gonna be decreased with that too. So those are the 4 expenses that new investors especially, they don't know about. They don't calculate for it because they just don't have the experience. If you find this video helpful, follow me for more videos that gonna benefit you in your real estate investments.